I didn't know Oklahoma onion burgers were a thing until recently. I came across a couple videos. I said I have to give that a try. Started off with a yellow onion, put it on the mandolin slicer, get some nice uniform slices. If you don't have a mandolin, you can definitely do it by hand. Made some potato wedges, put them in a hotel pan with some olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Give them a good mix. Throw them in the oven, 425. They took about a half an hour. The thinner you make them, the quicker they'll cook. Saute your onions in a pan with some salt and pepper. Once they start to get soft, get your burger, which is in a round bowl. You want to smash it down with your spatula. Didn't really have the right type of spatula to do it, but I made it work. Season with salt, pepper. Flip them when you see the edges starting to char up. Get onions on top, cheese it, put the buns on top like I did. This way they get nice and steamed. And enjoy.